This is the world in 30 years. This big, beetle-like shell is the bus of the future. Isn't it cool? Do you know how smart it is? First of all, it has 6 long legs that allow it to ride higher than the rest of the traffic. And each leg is equipped with a traction wheel. And these wheels are embedded in a special track groove if it comes to a corner on a city road. The wheels adjust their angle to make easy turns. And if they're blocked by an overpass, the long legs can retract to become short legs and cross easily. Some people ask me, what if the tracks on the road are blocked by vehicles? Don't worry. Each of its long legs is equipped with sensor radar. Once he senses an obstacle in front of him, it will automatically retract its long legs and cross again, even though the 6 long legs can be retracted back and forth. But it won't affect its driving condition. Passengers won't feel any bumps inside. It's so stable. Although this car is still in the conceptual state. But I believe that in the near future it will realize or even surpass this technology. If this bus operates, how much do you think it costs to ride it?